Okay, let's check out the accommodation. This is a 4-cabin layout. And look at this. Almost feels like a museum. Gorgeous. So, all the way forward, we get the VIP cabin. Here we are. Beautiful LED lighting everywhere. So modern. We have ensuite over here. Let me show you something that's really cool about the ensuite. So this normally can be covered up like that. So you can use a shower and have a place to sit. And then once you need use of the toilet, it just basically flips up. Very convenient. And once again, taking full advantage of this space.